Okay guys, so let me go find Twisted. I encountered a deadly tornado guys that almost killed me. I was trying to take a photo with then I almost got laughed at and killed while just being chilling near my dog house. Okay guys, so I found a server made by Doritos. Don't know why does this guy like Doritos because he decided to name himself Doritos 618. Doritos. Okay guys, so we are being lofted in the server right now guys. Because I think it's about to rain. It's about to rain in Ultrami County. Because somebody is literal. Because my friend is tall white. Okay guys, I'm still grinding up repair cost. So let me go chase this. Don't think so. There's literal clouds. Or is that a storm? I don't think so. Or is that a rotating cluster which it's either rotating? Okay, I think go to Helma. Oh, I could literally already hit Helma. So let me turn around guys. Okay guys, so we're gonna continue choosing this tomato. This is my favorite vehicle, but I lost one of my probes. This is my favorite Douglas variant besides the 2010 one that I clearly have for interception. This one is not really that of an interceptor. This one just pulled the T1 out of mud. And the T1 got stuck in a large piece of diarrhea right now. We are chasing this tomato right now because everybody told me it's a fat tomato. So I should head first to Nate Grill, or should I head straight to Hazelton and check the reflectivity? Okay, wait, this might be strong, guys. Just look there. What reflectiveness? Okay, guys. So let's continue chasing this. How fast is that? I don't know how that small thing is overtaking me. I was trying to continue chasing this tomato, guys. And to continue chasing this fat-ass tomato. Okay, guys, so you can clearly see that it's a rope. It's still literally forming. But you can see the dust clouds, guys. See, oh, it's a rope tornado. EF1 to EF3. Or somehow intuition sa EF1 to EF5. Literally. So let's continue chasing this fast tomato. Because it's not a legal rope like tornado yet. It's a rope outside. Not like a rope, it's not a literal horse, but that's literally so stiff. Guys, how many lows you can pass tornado go down? Okay, guess what this tornado is like roping out this. This is a rope of the mountains ago. It's time to continue to sweeping this. literally feeling nighttime. So guys, I'm almost at the edge of the map. Guys, it's now AF3. Let me check the map, guys. Okay, guys, it had it's not really choosing this. It's already out there. Out of the clear searing map. Okay, guys, so we're heading back to Prior Lake. This is my most favorite vehicle, guys. The friend is that like the Twisters logo from the 1996 film. That was one of my because you know me, guys, I like Dodge Rams. The reason I bought this instead of the Combi Prima for speed. I bought this because it looks cooler. It does not look like it will drag race another car for just $1. It instead looks like a truck that can actually tow the Thief 2. Unlike the Raptor and Hilux, they cannot even do Thief 2. So guys, you cannot buy a Thief 2 in America. You cannot buy a Hilux in America. So guys, my channel has reached the 4% in Vietnam. Because I don't know why the girls keep watching my videos. This is literally rated for boys if they're fan of storm chasing. Literally. I am a big fan of storm chasing. Also, this my dream is to make like a version of this in RIL, which will still be very far away. Then Roblox is gonna get bundled away wins or Philip because I just like to only that guys. So this is the old Tramway County, guys. Guys, the only thing I wish you guys is to leave a like and subscribe to my videos. Okay, so let's keep driving. So guys, I didn't really like the new Ram 3500. The old one looks better. Okay guys, I'm heading back to Prior Lake.
Very hot the heck.
After 1 minute of driving to Prior Lake. So
Leo, bebe mo baka. Baka mo mapasa di balayaw. Kami naman. Nasa na.
Okay
Niya
guys.
toy.
So now we're at Prior Lake. So see you next video guys.